Hello, a very warm welcome to my incredible class. Here you will learn science for classes 6, 7 and 8 in a fun and engaging manner. So my dear students, after a long vacations, your schools might have reopened, all set to start a brand new academic year. Yes, are you ready to study and shine brighter? Yes? If yes, that is very good. But if your mind is still in that vacation mood, bring back. Now it's time to study. Now, in last class what we have discussed? We have discussed about the importance of nutrients. The importance of nutrients we have studied. Okay, we heard a story about a girl. Do you remember? She was unable to concentrate in the class. She was feeling very tired, loss of vision, or she could not see what was written on the board properly. You remember that? What happened with her? Then her parents took her to hospital. They consulted doctor. Then doctor gave her some instructions. Do you remember what instructions? Instead of medicine, the doctor advised her to take proper nutrients because food can make her healthy. That is the importance of food. Right food is very important. We are eating so many things, but are we eating correct or are we eating the right food that is required by our body? This is the question that you should ask yourself. Now, if we don't eat proper food, okay, correct food, right food, what will happen? We will face deficiency diseases. We're gonna face deficiency disease. Now, deficiency disease. Okay, now this is a disease that is caused by some deficiency, that is lack of something. Lack of what? Lack of nutrients. Lack of nutrients. If we are not taking the nutrients properly, then we are going to face this deficiency diseases. Now, what are these deficiency diseases? See, first, if you will not take food containing proper vitamins or vitamin A, okay, if you will not take foods that contains vitamins, especially vitamin A, then what will happen? You will lose your eyesight. Everything will start becoming blur. You will see things as blurred. Okay, so if you don't take vitamin A properly, then you can face loss of vision. Loss of vision. So this thing is a deficiency disease of vitamin A. This is the deficiency disease of vitamin A. If you don't take foods that contains vitamin A, then you will definitely face loss of vision. Okay, then you have to wear that specs. Do you like specs? Is it a fashion, right? Okay. Now, to avoid that, we should take proper food containing vitamin A. And what are those food? Yes, papaya. Papaya is one of the food. Then you can take carrot. These things you should include in your diet. You should include in your diet. To avoid what? To avoid the deficiency disease of vitamin A. And what is the deficiency disease of vitamin A? Loss of vision. That is night blindness. Night blindness. Clear? Now, you took vitamin A properly and you forgot to eat vitamin B. Then what will happen? If you take vitamin A and if you will not take vitamin B, then you gonna feel a burning sensation in your hands, in your feet, okay? And that burning sensation we call, we're talking about vitamin B1, okay? And that burning sensation in your hand, in your feet is actually called beriberi. This is called beriberi. This is the deficiency disease of vitamin B1. Okay, so if you eat vitamin A and if you will not take vitamin B, then you're gonna face this deficiency disease called beriberi. Now tell me, what will happen if you take properly vitamin A, you took properly vitamin B, and you forgot to take vitamin C, and you forgot to take vitamin C? Then what will happen? If you don't take vitamin C properly, then you're gonna face bleeding gums. Bleeding gums. Gums. The mouth inside the teeth, okay, from where our teeth comes out, okay, that is the gums. That will start bleeding, that you will feel pain there, okay, and you feel very uncomfortable, and that is what we call bleeding gums. And we have a name for it. What is the name? Scurvy. Scurvy. You know what food items contains vitamin C? C, citrus. Okay, citrus fruits contains vitamin C in ample amount. Okay, so you should add amla. Okay, you can add orange. Okay, musambi. These things. Okay, little citrus. Okay, these things you should add in your diet. Otherwise, what will happen? You will face scurvy. Okay, this is the deficiency disease of vitamin C. Okay, you took vitamin A properly, you took vitamin B properly, now you took vitamin C also properly. Now you forgot to take vitamin D. What is the good source of vitamin D? You know, yes, sunlight is the best source of vitamin D. You can simply walk in sunlight. Okay, take a sun bath. Sun bath, you understand? Yes, just go out and enjoy the sun. Not in afternoon or 12 o'clock. Okay, after around 10 o'clock, that sun you should take. Okay, that is the correct time. Not 12 o'clock. You should go out and stand in front of no. Now you took vitamin A properly, vitamin B properly, and vitamin C also properly. Now you forgot to take vitamin D. Then what will happen? And do you know what is the good source of vitamin D? Yes, sunlight. So vitamin D. And now if you will not take vitamin D properly, what will happen? Definitely your bones. See, vitamin D is also a good source that we always take vitamin D before calcium intake. Why? Because vitamin D helps to absorb calcium properly. Okay, so remember that vitamin D we take before taking calcium. Why? Because it helps to absorb calcium properly. Okay, now if you won't take vitamin D properly, you definitely going to face rickets. And you know what are rickets? Weak bones. Your bones will become soft. Okay. Now calcium, you took all vitamins and forgot to take calcium. Yes, iodine. Okay, these things you forgot. If you won't take calcium properly, what will happen? Tooth decay will start. Okay, because your bones need calcium. And if you don't take iodine properly, what will happen? If you don't take iodine properly, you're gonna face goiter. Goiter, you know what is goiter? It is our neck will start swelling. Okay, it will start swelling. This is called goiter. And do you know, if you won't take iron properly, what will happen? Do you know our blood needs iron? Yes, hemoglobin. Our blood has hemoglobin, and in hemoglobin, iron is a very important nutrient. Okay, so if you will not take iron properly, you will definitely face anemia, that is weakness. Okay, if your blood is actually a connective tissue, that is blood, in our body, blood is a very important thing because it is taking everything. Okay, it is circulating everything, and that if that blood, we are not providing proper nutrients to the blood, how can it work properly? Now when blood will not work properly, then we will definitely feel tired and lethargy. This can even cause death. Yes, so iron is a very, very, very important thing. Yes, now do you understand why we should eat proper and correct food? Why I focused on balanced diet? Proper intake of food is very, very, very important. Okay, if you are not taking correct food, then you are going to face the deficiency disease that I am showing in front of you. Okay, now to avoid that, what kind of food we should eat, that is also I am mentioning here. Yes, so these are the things that you should keep in mind. Read it. Yes, very good. Now what if I give you one food that contains all vitamins, all minerals, and it is easily available? If I give you the name of that one food, do you know the name? Yes, none other than millets. See, millets are small grains. Okay, these are grains that contains all vitamins, all minerals. For example, ragi, for small babies also we are giving ragi. Why? Because it contains all nutrients and it is very, very, very important. Okay, if you take ragi or the millets that I am showing you here, if you take these foods properly, then also you will feel healthy. Your body will get all the proper food. Understand? So these are the very, very important things that we should keep in mind. Now perhaps some of you may have the habit of leaving food. Okay, when little amount of food is always left behind. Why? You know how much hard work is there for bringing that food into your plate, from the farm to your plate. Farmers are working very, very hard to give you the food that you are enjoying or eating. Okay, so we should not leave food. Okay, take the amount of food that you can eat. Okay, never ever leave food. Okay, don't take extra, too much, you will always get food. Okay, so this is the thing that you should keep in your mind. So deficiency disease, I hope it is clear to you. Now in next class I am going to take a quiz on this chapter. Okay, deficiency disease, balanced diet, millets, all examples I'm going to include. So join next class for the quiz. Till then, take care. Ta-ta.